Blueberries are a fruit that is blue. Do you want to know how to plant them? First, you go buy a blueberry seed, then buy soil, add water, then when the soil is wet, add the blueberry seed. When it sprouts or feels dry, add more water. Do this on a daily basis. When the blueberry plant turns too big for the pot, build a garden bed. Then add 5 big bags of dirt into the garden bed, or bags that could fit. Then add the big blueberry tree into your garden bed. Then from the dirt in the pot, add that into the garden bed. You can get blueberries to eat. Strawberries are a delicacy to birds. They steal strawberries, like how a criminal would. Birds would swoop in and steal the strawberries. A solution is you find strawberry-shaped rocks and paint them like a strawberry. So when the criminal, aka a bird, steals it, they would not go back for a second dip. Go to the store and buy some strawberry seeds. Find a pot of dirt at Home Depot or Walmart. When the plant grows more, add water. There's a companion plant. Like let's say squash releases calcium and thistle releases xylem. Squash needs xylem and thistle needs calcium. So they exchange the materials and then they make the roots and plants stronger. They work together to make one stronger.